this video, we'll see how we can create home page using Elementor. You can see this is custom home page I have created using home page. If you want to create something like this, let's go through it. Here, first click on add flexbox, select, add the background image, go on styling. It is looking inside that, add a heading section. We will add two heading, one text and button that we will add. Next, we will style it, then you will get to know it much better. And button here, left click, change the color to white. Then here, font style, font text I want 80. I will show you why. Then center line, and I will change the font family. Here, I will update the text. Now just duplicate it and remove this as of now. Nature. Here I will change this font style to, sorry, now only 30. It's looking better. Now change it to white. Center line. Change the font family from here. Now we will style button. It should be in center. Background I want this. Text I want him. Text color will be black. And from here I can add my margin and padding. Now this is basic we have created. You can add link of text here. Okay. Now what we need to do, it's not looking good. So go on this section, click on advanced. We'll add some padding to make it look better. 150, bottom 150 here. Now go on style, go on background overlay, go here, add a background. It's too much, will display. And what I will do one more thing. I will send the image, background image position, center here. We have created a banner section. After that, we will add a heading. I will just copy this, paste it here. Now style the color as per this section. Okay. Go to text. Here, change the color. We have changed it. Change the text. We are not using that same font. If you want, you can just change the font family from here. Now it's our service. Now I will add margin from top so that it will look better. It's 100. And one more thing, I will make it a little our service. Below that there is a line. For that, what you need to do, you can see search line. It will give you divider. I want this divider to be only this small, and it should be center align. And what I will do in style, I will remove the gap. And what is the color of it? I think yellow. Yeah. And I will increase the weight so that it will be visible. You can see something similar to that what we are seeing it there. Now gap, you can see there's too much gap between this and this. If you want to decrease that gap, you can remove margin padding. You can add margin bottom in negative here. It will come up. And after that, we have three sections. So just I will create two and I will just duplicate it. For duplicate, right click and duplicate. Sorry. You can see three section has been created. In each section, there is image. What we are seeing here, image heading text. For that, there is widget called image box. You can directly use it or you can add image heading text. You can use as per your need. Go on style. I will add the image width first. I want image to be 100%. Add the image from here. You need to upload the images. Select the image. I will update the text for here. Then go on style. Go on content. In from typography, you can change the text typography. As of now, you are saying we need to change for everything. But I will show you how you can change and set the by default family so that you don't need to change for every design. Okay. I will change the text alignment to left in box. I want text alignment to be left and I want the content color. It should black. It's looking good. I will add some. Why it's not? And in hover also, I don't want any hover effect. I'll change it black. Go on advanced, click on padding, 10 padding. Now what you can do, you can copy and paste it in each box and then you can style it. This one. For that, scroll down, click on add section, click on flex box. We will add only one box. I will add margin top from 100 pixel. Now I will add background color to this. Then what I will do, I will just copy this text and place it here, paste. It's not looking good. We will see, we will style it so that it will look good. First, we need to change the color to make it visible. Then go on typography, send the font, style this, and 400 pixel. Now we have changed. What we will do, we'll add some margin and padding. Padding from top 50, bottom 50, and there's one icon. We will search for icon, click on icon, search here for port. You can see, we'll add this icon. Go on style, here, icon color changed. Now one more thing, we can add image of bottom here. Here and after that there is a text. And paste the font style here. We'll decrease the font size first. Here it will be 15 pixel. Then image width also I will decrease. We want this small, little bigger. What we don't want this section to be full width. We want spacing from left and right. For that, go on margin, select here percentage. Want left 10, want right 10. Sorry, not 110. You can see you can add percentage as per your need. Need to do, we need to create flexbox, create two section. One will be only for image, so we will drag image from here, and other will be some other content. So you can use the previous same content as per your requirement, copy, paste. And I will copy this text. So very easy to just copy and paste and then style the things. I have updated the content. We will style it. First, let's increase the font size. Will be around 30 pixel, I think. And font family will be. And one more thing, there is a little more spacing between text. So for that, line height you need to increase here. Okay. Then it will increase the gap between text. You can see. Similarly, you can do with it. Line height you can increase from here. And I will copy the button from here and paste it here. Sorry, my bad. Its alignment will be left. For that, what we need to do, we need to add background color as white. We need to add border. Select border solid, then add the border color, then border width will be only one. Same thing with hover, change the hover effect as per your need. Okay. So another section we have created, you can add image here. One more thing you can say alignment. I don't like the alignment. I want this content to be center aligned. To click on it, center alignment. Here you see now everything is center aligned. I will add a new section, single, just add background images, heading and text. It's a very simple section. Background image, heading, text, and there is after that there is a button. So you can just copy and paste and duplicate everything. Let's add margin padding first. Now we want this to be center aligned. I will add percentage left 20, right 20. Not. It's a center aligned. So we have created a very basic homepage layout. As you can see here, this is slide, this is main homepage, service page, feedback, this, and very decent. It will look here. You can see very decent view. It's showing. Now, oh, that's all for this video. And we will see if these sections are responsive or not, and we can style it as per your need. Here you can see this is my layout in mobile. If you want to change it, you can style it. So that's all for video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.